show starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
Hai, Assalamualaikum. My name is Iqlil Munawara binti Muhammad Jamain, metric number B0920101314. I and my group will whistle about our project that we give the name Aqua Clara. Stay tuned. Firstly, I will telling about our company profile. Our big company name is Savero, short name from the word Safe Environment. Our organization that handle this project is Aqua Clara. Core business is leading provider of water and wastewater treatment solution, offering a broad portfolio of products, services, and expertise to support industrial, municipal, and recreational customers. And this is our logo. We create based on water and environment. Our mission is to reduce the water pollution in Malaysia, and the vision of project is to make sure that the water pollution in Malaysia is lesser than other countries in future. This is our organization crew. Our group have 5 people, which is 3 men and 2 women. Our leader project is Muhammad Amirul Hazi, and my position in this group is Rapid Prototype Engineer. Our project title is Aqua Clara. Clara is a female given name. It is the feminine form of the Latin name Clarus, which means clear, bright, and famous. Based on our project, we are willing to give a clear water to our society, so we choose this name to make this project to be much more innovative by the name. The objective of this project is to clean up the water, which is water storm, from the rubbish before entering the dam area, and our scope project is to purify the water and providing a clean water. Second is to make sure that the quality of the water should be good and the water pollution should be lesser than the other country. The third is to make sure that the rubbish should not clog in the water flow too. The problem statement is destruction of biodiversity, contamination of the food chain, lack of potable water, disease, and infant mortality. This is the team member job scope. Our leader job scope is planning a project, giving instruction to the team, make a project budget. And Hanusha do manage the core, schedule, and quality. And my work is design prototype, building up the physical product. Amirul Zamzuri do a design and operation of integrated system of high quality. And for Hafiq Haikal, he design project, modify existing product. And for the last slide, this is our time plan project. We start from week 3 and finish our project at week 14. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amirul bin Zamzuri, and my number matrix is B0920101335. So in this part of video, I will tell about our design process. So firstly, we plan to conduct an online survey based on some selected questions to the student of UTEM. So from the survey, we get that most of UTEM students live at residential area. Besides, nearly half of UTEM students saw rubbish in the drain at their housing area, but most of them not smell an unpleasant smell from the drain. Next, we see from the survey that plastic bottle and water can is the most thing that UTEM student found at the drain at housing area. So after the survey, many of them agree that the rainwater filter can decrease the amount of rubbish. So we start to generate our idea about the design. We plan to create a mind map to enlarge the view of our project. Mind maps help to know how deeper the concept of the project. We started as usual with a brainstorming session in the meeting to get out the ideas from everyone's view. We need something new and unique ideas to proceed this project. We started with the advantage and disadvantage of the design. Later onwards, we discussed about the design detail. We get some strong point after this brainstorming session and we come up with a mind map attached with the mind map. So after we did our research from the internet, we found that the left draw, and after we did a research, we agreed to create our base design from the left draw and drainage net. Okay, for the left draw, the design left draw created by Cash Vestergaard Fransen. The function of the left straw is protect against bacteria, parasites, microplastic, dirt, sand, and cloudiness. This can filter water storm drainage before releasing to them. So the advantage of the design is the design is the relative inexpensive filtration device, and is durable and simple for a super low price. But unfortunately, this design has the opportunity to clean out turbine water and enclosed and inaccessible. Next, for the second, our base design concept is drainage net from the electricity. This drainage net is reduce the discharge of plastic waste from drainage system, and is designed to prevent pollution and solid waste carried by stormwater from the local road network from flowing into the nature reserve. So the advantage of this drainage net is relatively easy to install and no animal has been caught out in the area of the net. This design is unique, required to collect the rubbish scattered around the reserves by hand. And we finally we combine this we combine the left straw and the drainage net to create our final design concept. So we use the filter and the nets to trap the rubbish from the at the drain. We did three design. We sketching three design to create the project, and finally this is our final design. And thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Afihkan bin Mahyudin. With my battery number is B0920010066. Today, I will present about our chapter 3 of our project, product development. The first one of chapter 3 is flowchart. For the flowchart, our flow project is the first one. We start with objective. After that, we identify the importance of the project. Then we build a company profile, is content, vision, mission, and company name. Then we build the introduction and background theory. Then we create a design process, concept design sketching, and there is a changes in product design product. After that, we have product development. and when the product developed, we have bill of material, cost calculation, and the final is conclusion. Then we have our technical drawing. Here is our technical drawing. It is for bed. This is for part A, part B. It is in detail. For fork 1, fork 2, it is quite same, but it is a different fork. And this is a leg stand for our product. Then this is a net conveyor. It's a net conveyor, net hanger, and this is the net. This is the hanger, and here is pole hanger. And then we have wheel here, and the final one is cover wheel. Okay, the next one is the discussion on how the devices work. Then we have a bill of material. The next is cost calculation. Here is our diagram of our table of the cost calculation. Okay. And if we calculate all of the material cost, we need we use the RM 967 ringgit 32 cent. The process in terms of safety, environmental, and sustainability factors. For the safety, we should not to needed high skill requirement to service the device. Also we need to training and suitable tools to handle the device. It is for the safety of our device. For the environmental, it is to check the device material is not tear due to water pressure. And for the sustainability, we make sure the device is not covered by dirt that came from water storm, so that device is always in good condition. The next is we check there are many rusting parts that must have to be changed, and also always do the maintenance to check the mechanism is always in good condition. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Razid bin Muhammad Rizal, and I'm a team leader of the Aqua Clara of this project and the team of company Savero. Okay, today I want to discuss about the chapter 4 about discussion of structural analysis result on vormicide stress, displacement, information, and factor of safety. Okay, after all, we do the all simulation about this project. The vormicide stress, the displacement, and the deformation are all about the factor of the load that we do on that device. So, on the vormicide stress, the load is pointed at the cover of the conveyor, which means at the center point, and you can see the point that the highlighted on that mark, that the color of the yellow, and this will make the conveyor bend. So all the load of the pressure that on the conveyor cover. Okay, for the displacement, and you can see the all load at the area will be bent, and the result at the deformation. So the deformation occur when the load is appear, and because about the made from the light material. With the material that we use is the polyethylene, the high density of polyethylene. So that's a very light, and the result is for factor of safety, which means as 1.2. The factor of safety that we see, this is almost same at the aircraft part. So the aircraft part is the very light material used, and this project also is light material. For discussion on technique to improve design failure during analysis. So after we discuss the material must change and use the strong material, and at the same time don't pollute the water. And for the use the suitable material, they have strong yield strength and stress. So the material we use must change to strong material such as aluminium or carbon steel that don't pollute the water. So the idea to improve the device is the design. The design for the project is to support the conveyor, and the design can be changed based on the height of the water storm, because in Malaysia, the size of water storm is differently based on the place that we set up. So if the bigger water storm, the bigger the project design, so the scale is bigger. So after we discuss, this is the idea to improve this device. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Hanusha Idam from FTKMP from class BMMN1. Here today I'm going to explain about the chapter 5, which is conclusion from week 13. The conclusion is the university's steps put students to conduct this project is one of the smartest steps. I'm sure many of us do not realize that how important is this project. This project increases students' knowledge in SolidWorks drawing. This project gave us many advantages. This project should be continued as it benefits many students in particular and opportunities for students to understand the SolidWorks drawing even more detail. With this kind of exercise, it can provide students with confidence in pursuing challenging. Such disclosures need to be possessed by every student as an initial preparation to compete in the globalization market in today's era. Furthermore, with these exercises, the students are the quality knowledge that can apply in their future jobs. Moreover, we trust that we had achieved the objective of this project, which is product development of mechanical devices and subjected to design solution by synthesizing manufacturing engineering technology knowledge that will solve broadly defined engineering technology problems in accordance with relevant standards. Besides that, utilize modern engineering technology and IT tools in facilitating solutions to broadly defined engineering technology problems with an understanding of the limitation and evaluate the impact of the design, product, component or processes in terms of safety, environmental and sustainability factors. We also wish that our project is much more helpful to reduce the water pollution, which is we really hope that our device will help to clean up the water which is water stormed from the rubbish before entering the dam area. Finally, we also attached our references. These are the references. Thank you.